HCL. HashiCorp Configuration Language. In definition, the language used in Terraform to define infrastructure as code. It's designed to be simple and human-readable form, and capable to provide the instruction to Terraform compiler to handle anything from a single server to an entire cloud setup. Here's how it works. Parse HCL files. Reads and understands and validate the HCL files. Plan execution. Using the Terraform plan command, analyzes and shows what needs to be created, updated, or deleted. Then apply changes with Terraform apply command by interacting with the relevant cloud providers or APIs based on the HCL instructions. Let's have an example with a real Terraform script written with HCL. Here we can see a simple Terraform HCL script with each block of the configuration contains a separate set of requests to interact with AWS Cloud Provider, and targeting region as EU, Central, 1, along with more than one resources to be provisioned. I will give the detailed overview for all respective blocks, like provider block, variable block, resource block, output block, contained by the typical Terraform file structure like main.tf, variables.tf, and provider.tf. And output.tf, with practical demo. Now to proceed further, let's set up an environment according to this design, where, initially the Terraform will run from an Ubuntu system and interacting with AWS Cloud. Later I will extend my demonstration by introduce Git as a repository, and integrate .gitlabci.yml as a full CI/CD pipeline to complete the end-to-end IAC workflow. Now proceed for the Terraform installation to a Ubuntu system first. This is a very straightforward approach. To start from the beginning, we need to follow just basic 3 steps to install the Terraform package in the Ubuntu system. 1. Allocate one space for your Terraform project, so you need to simply create a repository in your Ubuntu system. 2. Just check the source code, available in the Terraform official website. 3. Just copy and paste the source code under the respective repository for the installation, which you will see as a real-time demo. 4. Run the command Terraform version to validate the installation. If successfully installed, it will show the version of the Terraform that has been installed. Now I will present you the real-time demo, which I have performed in my own environment. As discussed, starting from the step 1, first I am creating a directory in my Ubuntu system. For Terraform Workspace, I have named it simply Terraform, that you can see in the live demo displaying in the screen. Once the directory has been created, I will check the website, and simply copy the command and paste to the same directory I have just created. Now this command contains, for specific task, 1. Downloads HashiCorp security key, and saves it for package verification. 2. Adds the official Terraform repository to your system's package sources. 3. Updates the package list to recognize the new repository. And 4. Installs Terraform using the system's package manager. No need to remember this task as it will never ask anywhere. Later post-completion of this Terraform series, I will definitely create a complete video only related to the interview and, mostly asked interview questions and brief and to the point answers for the same, which only you need to remember to crack the interview, so that you will have in-depth understanding interview preparation at a time. Coming to the installation, once copied, I am pasting it to the repository, see here. And my installation has been completed. Once completed, we will move to validation phase, which is nothing, but run only the command, Terraform space, version. It will return the installed Terraform version, that you are currently viewing in the demo display. Which proved, that your Terraform installation is successful. With completion of Terraform installation, we are about to finish this video. In the next video, I will provide the overview of Terraform files, main.tf, variable.tf, with some real-time variable used, provider.tf, with AWS Cloud Provider, and all with real-time demo. Thank you.